New just listed home, 8961 Garden Party Drive, Land O'Lakes, Florida, by Erik Pacheco from the Military Veteran Team. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home on a spacious 3,110 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the bright open-concept living area features a versatile flex space and elegant ceramic tile flooring. Seamlessly connected, the stylish kitchen boasts granite countertops and a large island for easy entertaining. The layout hosts a spacious primary suite retreat, alongside 3 versatile additional bedrooms, including an upper-level suite. These are served by 3 well-appointed full bathrooms and 1 convenient half-bath. Outdoors, relax by the private screened-in pool. Contact us and make it yours.